there was a higher juicy news. Mima we be akwa higher latest hot nkwa era me de brabo. Enuti so unya subscribe to channel dia bomodi ase obe subscribe. There ana say obe click the subscribe button no. Na wa barely notification. We ana sa video fufuru bia be upload no. When the first person once ebeka sa video. Afi we ada wala give video no. Give us a thumbs up na fi. Shema wo foforo so na when you be here na wo hu S7 ekoso ewo Ghana memo afi tentemara yebura ye S7 abeto yepono so we kutie AS report yi sansemi ya babeto dwa moment yi sansemi
eti abu pesa wo chese sande man
those rehearsal in opposition ena de mefa eja de mefa ena de kro no kese ba and until he was able to manipulate the party so well so that it is difficult for anybody to come at him. And we be no de ba abem. Akufo Addo was not even a month in office. And omoko signed Franklin Templeton bond, which was a criminal arrangement. That money didn't see any account in Ghana here.
Ghana.
How? I'm giving you an example. Widen your scope of reasoning. Then you are able to join the lines to make meaning of what is happening. And you say, be a media drone and me check kronfo, there be. Say, Usheni Panini Subaya or deba bem free opposition. And man, young one was on your kronfo, and young one pet now was wood and one. Because John Mahama answer no be fra bemu 2016 no one se tepe no ye finance minister ene ne able deputy Ato Forson omoko ye Eurobond bi na is about $680 million,
okay,
or 600 million euros,
okay.
At that time no e bedru sikani bedru Ghana ha na dollar so tie meboa time wa John Mahama efra ban mu na dollar no wo somewhere in the region of 3.8 nti fa ne se wo fra ban nim na kodru 4 sikani da 4 hwa bond no omoka se Franklin Templeton bond no eno buy no na 2.25 till it was more than 4 times what John Mahama took a dollar bar from.
Okay,
it is if that is anything to go by. In recent times when we say Sammy Gyamfi any gold board any your friend is saying Ato Forson in the Bank of Ghana governor omosi say Dr. Siamanom omosi say ya omode ba ye sika kakra o ma reki in no won say $1 no na ho de akofom.
Yeah, exactly.
So busa ho say adena Sammy Gyamfi eba abam 2.7 billion worth of dollars and aba meboa.
Yeah.
And ama dollar na tier free 17 akodu 10 tier from 17 to 10, how much? 7 cedis.
Yeah.
And Eswati
7 cedis.
And you know, if 2.7 billion, $1 swati at 7. And 2.5 billion. Esobete saying
almost the same region.
I think I was saying $1 na nenka wo for no, and a less than 1.
Like I said to me, Babe, to say be a 90 pesos.
I was saying pesos. But Akufo Addo a bond.
Then so sikana en sikrom.
Sikano en sikrom ha. Omo di trade from ho aka. Okofa finance minister ono na account e wo tax havens mu.
Eno ne din.
Tax haven ye ba bia sikakra bia udi sikakoto a untua ho to. E wo ye friend is saying ahye bi so a e ho no ye nye woto
na enya Ghana ha.
Eni Ghana ha. Nti obekaya a owura suhini time aye Ken Ofori Atta the first vetting the interview no obusa the question say do you save in tax savings or say yes Or say, have you ever? Or say yes. Now such a criminal way, not a finance minister.
So say you are tax haven doesn't make you a criminal.
No, individually so you can, but to be a public officer, I will save you a tax haven, and no public, no tax haven. Your friend is saying, user has the right.
Okay,
because they try to their finances.
Yes,
from
yes,
especially so when we are Ghanaian. Again, and two percent will be triathlon. We are Ghanaian. Tax is about patriotism.
Yeah.
Tax collection. Because sebi in previous at the end I will turn on a Jumana would know and your mind there directly. But our mind say fa a whole and to so do mano. Now no so far more mine who bra. And you know a biblical cry say what to do no. Or your tax collector or your tithe collector or just toward the above mine who bra.
Exactly.
But you want to so do. Just say the I am to so eduasa. And eduana.
Oh Ghana.
Edruho. What you say? Now, so we share the scheme of things by Akufo Addo. Owing to the templates and all few position or the bar bemuno. You can see the trajectory, the first bond ever. Almost sign Franklin template and bond should guide you where they were tilting and where they were directed towards.
2% just and then national service.
Emma
and Emma who use
Emma aban asue ya no make profit. And I don't Mahamadu Afena they were making losses because they had a plan from opposition say a kwambia so no it was almost capture the state called Ghana. Na emu sikasem ne emu adododie nyina no eye abusuane dia Emma omukura sa koye manual a omudi bebu man no aye frɛ no agyapade document. Emma agyapade ni mu no bibi bie ni hono ma no ya tro se bi o man fa anya adwuma. Enti se wokɔ even Ghana Ports and Harbour Authorities a omo capture ho. Wokɔ eye Ghana Airport a se sie ya me ne wo kasei. Aban we ba ye. This is about the third timer me bosso.
Okay.
Say your friend baby CIP. No omo use private jet no. Ni omo wo your friend say omo sem wo bie no. Say wo fra ma no na ba e ho na wo use. E bro VIP ne so.
Okay.
Enti say wo use ho a ye osika bi a wotua.
Yeah.
Se sia me no ka say Kofi Asante Bediatuo yere eye Femi. Ono na ehye ne nsa me no ka say. Nti aban ma na ni nko ho.
Animu ya.
Se sia ya me no ka say. Akufo Addo
Asante Bediatuo yere.
Yes na yere Femi.
And manage CIP or airport.
On manage.
On ehye ne nsa.
Enye se ehye ne nsa se oji sika na o de magana o. Oji sika na o privatize public fund. And why yes sir since time wa Akufo Addo be president to date. So you case a privatization of public fund. The only aim and objective of Obia Opeso state capture. Because ebasana sika eba aban futuo mu a ebi ebetimi anya esonfaso omafo nyina betimi anya sonfaso no. Ankura bi ekogi sika no ewo abra omoaye bibi abroni friend special purpose vehicle.
Yeah.
Enti no se bia PSA na medona na me se PSA se kura revenue aye jeje no Ghana Airport Company ni mu no. Me pese wo no be ye adwumakuo bi a na abejeje revenue no. Na revenue no jeje a say 100 a ebi a so be ma 50. What you say?
Abra nanka sa company na say aban adwumakuo na
be na jeje na ade. Na ke kwa aban futum direct. Enti o create special purpose vehicle na ode no aba be ye insianamu in the stead of the original company. It will say be we are saying no company ni dey wo ho, but the company will be operating behind a certain mask.
In 2 person say eno na akoso national service
and we be a pepe.
Nti asem we buy no hu ye the revelations attorney general aye na waka sika over 540 million so far as sika no na wono ma fa ka ebetumi kura aye Kumasi Accra road.
Yeah. I say anyam nwanwa.
Akwa akwose nipa be 30-50 bi botom.
Anyam nwanwa. $30 $50. Maximum is about 20. Maximum. Omo mu nim sika we hu bi no. Omo DBD e bi asabi waye ye Akufo Addo do mbedoso. But omo nim hu nyi ade we say yemfa nye ye man Ghana no. Omo nru 15 kura dosu kakra.
Really?
Yes.
So far attorney general ahu nipa 12.
Yes, that 12 no. Omo na ye from say omo sa ka adwuma work campaign no. Omo na ye work campaign.
Okay.
Adwuma ye for. Na Ken Ofori Atta Akufo Addo Bawumia.
Omo nyina nim hu bi.
Yes. The only
eden nyina so na wo.
There be mama nkyere wade.
Ken Ofori Atta Bawumia Akufo Addo.
De ntia omo kan say John Mahamadu Nkania meni obi antwe manso ne say the back stops with who? The president.
The president.
In a worst case scenario, ena ebi a obeko ne vice, and I say obeko ne finance minister ho. What must say? And until that, sometimes you know, me are very particular when it comes to say idea bia and say bia o ma ya to no. That template no say ya say no ene e china wo so de ba be boy so bo.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah.
So if you look at how omo share sa no na and ka ban we mu nipa no especially abrantie na owo NSS horses here in Felix. And ko percent Felix Gyamfi sen ko percent and ko no so toaso se ne etie na ka template ne da ho.
Yeah.
It in ka kwanya say okay ye de ye free ho. It mo so no toaso those names no aluta continua.
Those names in 81,000.
It is in Quebec, no. Na omanfo nyina ayira yen. Enti meme wase da bi pa na me de ma obi a. E wo se di kan bo Felix Gyamfi ni menua menua ba Roadsedo ene na pamfo a.
Okay.
Owura Mahama Paul wo mo no. Omo kɔ hɔ no. Omama na anya se na ye da ye sun bi ne ye so e wo position ana se bi a ye ni su na ebri yen. Na omo de ose aye oyo. Asye bia wo oman yimu ha eye oman Ghana de bia no sa de ni bi ko so ho enti no se wo te NSS a na se wo nti ba bia na che se wo se John Mahama His Excellency oma nani ko asye bia ho because Akufo Addo wonti mi ma hwe even cylinder keke cylinder Ghana Cylinder Manufacturing Company e ho kra de o te be o rebe ho. It is a appointee be was cylinder company wa. Na say one fair bibia meto abonten a me eyebrows are raised.
At the day na
there is no firm one omo state capture ho.
Akufo Addo aban state capture o baby.
See there is no firm hwe me John Kuma
the late
say me nua Eric Eje no mo ye adwuma bi. Maybe it may not have come out yet,
but the
with time I believe. John Kuma you be a na oje dama ebiatusere unika pre.
Oh, how
the uni enya say me say the day na yekoso
enyina say nim John Kuma say John Kuma say na won srade.
Yes, oh there be John Kuma de sebi obi a me na that dem menen ono stekanom. I mean we have been, I can call him a brother
nti unim no pa.
What was it na oje dama etusere. Say penniless. He is the clearest of the definition of penniless somebody.
But he wasn't poor before coming to office.
Every penniless being is a poor being, like a church mouse. He was very poor.
John Kuma.
Extremely poor. Ye can hear bubro. Te said ye sebi akokono anase akokono adokura bea. Is a hiano. Bubro
here no to call law school by a lawyer.
Me pacho. obia wo wiase ha bia no etimi nya sponsor ese mpese mko school obi person sponsor me meti mini capre bia me pass glory ho enkase me obi mini bi kopim se menya bi no mini bi what must I say now it takes hard work to be there where he was but say e kan say yenya say sika ne nko ade a menua so wo hwe NAPO de o ye ani e bohu de row position no say wo de nkofo ID card jeji sika free onu ani ho oba otimi ko constituency mo fa mo ID card nemra me kwa koye ne mama no wakoje nkofo ayi na afi ode eno amase wof owu ye no Nyankopon emfa ni currency se bonsam fa ide a se owu ye no sika se na ne se da ni account back
manti bio
meti 30 million
Ghana cedis
dollars
$30 million
yes meti na video so account back nwa se wanti obia sebi imprediasa na oji dama etusre enya se meka abusua ya wo ni patimi ya de ma eye omanfo sebi eya atwiyen koyachi who was Akufo Addo before becoming president
Dada Bawo
okay and the Dada Bawo sold all the Dada properties. He sold everything before becoming president.
And then Oton.
The last one and ni wukra say it was Oton a hotel ya near friend Ringway Hotel. Ringway Hotel no. Power the fan. A change bed sheet. Give me breakfast, either coffee, tea, or a beer. Chocolate. What must I say? Or maybe Tom Brown. In the worst case scenario, we Bruni and Abedibia oats. Akufo Addo ton hotel no went to me and manage. Change bed sheet keke went to man change bed sheet or ton hotel ne the Societe General. Oh, from rich runabout. Kwaku electoral commission hu nyina na ene papa dia. Na ekuobi a friend of Arise Ghana.
Yeah, Arise Ghana.
Adwumakuo no
me kai se wo na me ofa Rexoma Kwame Menkamo
Bernard Mona se kuo no nyina no eda so
Mensa Thompson mo
obia wanya position bia still has his position at Arise Ghana intact.
All right.
Enye kuo ebeguda.
Okay.
It's because se omana sorry a omanfo no be sia pinie sanse nimdie e wosi yenya asomanfo di tu anamu bi no ebi akansise mu senye sentrofo a ebi amoa mode modo ene ma tu ho akyene ma hofama eboa erewura mu domu asuko ene aban a waye na adwen se obeye de tene ese fata ono soso oguso a oboa se na ebeye a echiw ene achiwachiwo a abaso ewo free say President Akufo Addo former President Akufo Addo ebedi ade ema oman we odane no ye ne kan sichi kwan so state capture enka oman we ke besi apini kese pa
but still no so we say ni oman ni si akwa kodu na sansensem we nyina pi and this is not the first and the last of corruption issues cause one that Nana Danko Akufo Addo Attorney General at the Babontil. We national service be about
there is a litany of that. And also as we be any one more Akufo Addo one capture. There is not one. Ada Ghana for etu abama Akufo Addo or so afenemu saye sada no. Sa me popular video bi ene nam say obi for ma this obewia na wakum na wasai me nam ho na journalist bi bebusa me na was say me the tudwa san say na wa ye bi a ye rehearsals e wo MPP mu enti na
manya ye bi
Akufo Addo
okay e wo MPP mu ansa na wo ba ben
yes or ye rehearsals na rehearsals or ye any say me ma just one case study
okay
one scenario on say MPP na e wo ho no na ye wo executives in the past and ye koto abama foko num ne Kwabena Agyapong ne Sammy num ebedi ade e tamale
yeah
na after elections no it sounds say na wa create some form of cabal bi e wo party nim from 2007 to the time foko num bedi ade no entina afi aye diama ne say party sika no e be kɔ ne nsɛm directly isan say foko wototo ne nneɛma yɛ isan say wo fi say kyina bi ye ba be boni din say bi a party sika ebikura wadane ne nkwanta enti wɔyɛ na adwen say wɔne party ne treasurer ti asɛm yie pa o
ofa mi tie pa
sabre ne efrɛ no owura abankwa yɛ boa
yeah abankwa yɛ boa me kind pa
ɛna ɔne ne to kɛsɛ sɛ party ni sika bia abedi wono treasurer ho bia no e wo se wono ne McMahon na ono ye the former chairman no we former to your friend is saying Jekutanka obi chebilamte
yeah
and former to for Awintami Afoko omo e make sure say party ni sika bia no ombe dane ne nkwanta edi akoto account a eye McMahon ne bieye ti asem weye pa na wahu ekwan Akufo Addo fa so e hya ase ball kro no wo ne party amayoko MPP mu da ode ba aban mu enti party ni sika no na for the first time MPP for primaries ko akoye mrahye bedwani a wo ye hopeful a ye twes ka to ho say ko bank bia wo pe bia of your choice ne ko bankers draft
okay
never bankers draft ne bra party party na so ye na ye hu se wakotwe sika we ato
bank
bank say bank no say bibia eko sene se fata dia e wo se party ni ko Jesus ka no sika botre na akotwa ye bankers draft no e free sa account nim e de koto party na account mu
okay
treasurer no ene Akufo Addo e bia kanana scan koto account na ye McMahon account we bia account no san se wonye party chairman biem no agu the defunct account at Ecobank may be specific Ecobank account and omudi scan koto sa account no omo sa kokko bia account no and omudi sika na bankers draft no enyina over 6 million Ghana cedis no ekogu sa account nim eno mo sha ase so mudi sabre na Freddy Blay ena omo epese obeye party chairman eti afoko nom ko bo wa hey adena party no mudi muska ene yempam no so they gave Afoko a bad name just so that on be hang him. Eno nema Kwabena Agyapong and mind you for the first time sa ewura num ya me bo omudin omo na ede 10,000 Ghana cedis equal constituency BM for the first time in the history of the party.
Kwabena Agyapong
Afoko Sammy Crab omo na no mo pe the welfare or the well-being of the party no Akufo Addo pamo omo just so that he is able to capture the party and its finances. That's the only reason. Ubisa obia say again na Kwabena Agyapong ye pamo na nobody is able to give you any excuse, even though I don't even like his behavior recently. Those are the facts.
Why Kwabena
Agyapong?
Bas flag bearer
for a friend is saying photo whatever he wants. I mean he has shown not to be relevant in the system again. That one I will state it any day. Obi
bie ni wonu ma no wa ban dada ni mu a obetimi aba be justify ade papa ana ade boni ade aban dada ni yeye
sir
yes obi ani o
you say Brian declare educhum so enra we declare o show you
enkwan jo a na no sin enya bisa no don enye enkwan na adwo a na kakane party a yesi yenya safo ne nidifo party hwani pa omu yi omu ti wo de wa hwe wo de in estimation
I don't know more problem
enye problem no there be why na wonim die why na wonya ansa kire me uyi Bawumia free wa Kennedy Agyapong so person o ye mampani Kennedy Agyapong enkwan etimi adwo na we di adwo ma asa ya ye blog
festival
there be o ene ye se Bawumia Campaign say onu so person o ye mampani obi a ono timi suma nkwala asem ko bobo atuo wa ya waso weso ogon otimi tu ne hine ne wasi hine wei enkwa ne nyo ya edutum so opeso ya mampani
abona baso
hey MPP mum dia atete apansam asa declaration you need to was a topic because mampani akase we esi pani dware wi am insuasa
okay
say on pese ebeye ense na ho se oba ye no kura no waye hwe han ama la appointees and declare my assets. So we share in the history of the Fourth Republic. Abaya ne apamfo declare my assets. Pa ye urajo mama abaya.
Exactly.
Na we no kura no wa go a step further say for the punitive measures be a good akwan mu a
say wanya
say ekoba say wanye na eyemiamo ho a pani betwe waso na ora mahama or track records bebre say or dey twe on one party maso the most popular one of all the na in relation to Abuga Pele enti meaning say so koye na ne soafo ana say na pamfo bi wo baabi sector bi na waka che say ye we na wanya ho asotwe wo enti me de me so me de be ye futuo de ama omo a omo nyeye mum say obi wo hono ma oni hwe ena oba ben ko declare say oni hwe obi wo so a o bibi obepese obema adedi say we na me wo usu ko declare most often no obi wo no ma owoni fie but oni ebia enkrata ebia asase krata na say krata betima chere say fie we ya media. There are so many homes in Ghana omuni title omuni krata semwa omubetimi di adanse se dan we ya media na eno so tro na yehu se o dan wa ha na imomuni krata esan se bia manso kra wo asase ne ho ana bibi sa no ma ni nyina no ebebo ama enkoba se daachi bi omampani sebi obekwa akotwe na aba na afi na odesam nti mo nya de se fata na mo hwɛ de odi kan no na mo nsuane nante sanse do mahama ne huni sebi efindia na quickly menko amayuku ana medomo a afi de me se o kase ye member kura na be do be kokko
afanya abutre
asemba
Farouk sinya abutre
asemba nya abutre
abutre ne de
asemba nya abutre mo bani bo na mo ye ese ne nkola so be
abutre se MPP amayuku anenke amayuku papa nenka omudimu sebi nenka omo brebi anke betimi edia ama omanfo edia agina so ato abama MPP but see as MPP wo hoi a criminal institution. Oh, everything about MPP is criminal.
Okay.
No, it's a fact.
There be gumu kakramo.
Mean to me gumu. It's answer.
Criminal.
Me papa to me no see me can look correct of say me wo.
Na dia no moya on to me
criminal. It's even more than a criminal institution. But I've been charitable.
Utri mu say.
Bibi bia omo ye mfie nwotwe mu bia ye bone a etia adasa. Bibia omo so omo ye papa ni mpo na bone techire. Bibi bia omo ye bia. Ntenya ma yoku a wo so otimi nya kokodu kura be gina Ghana fo anim say Ghana fo nto aba ma omo san say ye nto aba ma ho anom criminals debi enya de papa.
It is not fair to describe them as criminals.
They are criminals. I'm telling you,
that's my challenge. That's my challenge.
No, the challenge you can have, you see, Jesus Christ by. I say, na me ne hwan. Obi e di ni ho dance here. Obi a ne na dance di odi fa Yesu no. What must
Farouk onye criminal.
Oh, say ye will be o wa ne papa ye criminal onye criminal.
And to you say Farouk onye criminal.
Oh, mean to me nya so bo bi am fam no. But obi o support criminal bia no. Or ye criminal in a way.
No nim be support to anti o ka say ono criminal.
Na obi a wono ti hanu a wo ka kire me say Bawumia ne huni efin bia. Na Jack, where are you when I go for buy? Hwe abai we a omuti so yi. Ghana for bi betimi afuo mu berebi. Because obi ti say Bawumia kure ni kwan so otimi pia bonten say oba be kasa say obi nkoto abama no. $2.5 million. What the beji esika die? Bawumia.
Sesing.
Ura fi say e ko fa asase GPS a Bawumia say ye leapfrog. Adia me 2006 President Akufo Addo na Google for Ghana ha. Omo peke coordinates ni nyina. In fact, with the American your friend is saying army no, no, the Air Force no. That was their job. 2006 13-14 na meye Uber adwuma. I had 12 cars. I normally Uber no was it not using GPS? And the other comfort me free car na abegina ofie anim. Satam na wana na present. President mama. Na Bawumia ba no osade abedan ye nkwanta asase GPS. Abeton 2.5 million Ghana cedis dollars. $2.5 million. At the Ghana for who is he? Is he not a criminal? This is the man he is campaigning for. I don't know say Boakye Agyarko. Na why na sabi ewe wi ase a o ka no kreche Boakye Agyarko. Nonsense na ase just nyansa nim. Ana no so just yes akọ school. Oh no kre ne kan ya o. There are things a yesua democracy na e wo se yesua ni ye. Oh, it's not right. Say obi akwaya ade a yem pese ye beka no kra kire nipa kro say ade we ya wo ye no sesa free ho. It's not right. So many yet to say unkwa na say bibia se nyansa nyina kura wa obedi amia say de Bawumia de amia ya oti ase nipa na wo kana asem no ono na Ghana ha nyina yenim so ye trofo pa odi tro asisi e kura okọ fie kura na ogusu di tro obi ayire ne ho ama dollar eba fom sidi ni gina ne na so osenyor na yeye wo etira na esi wo konsu ye na nka yese wo na ye economist abira beboa ma o man sika sam nko yie no udumadi a odi ye ne sen afa na ato mo ne ntase na party no ye beko ayi omo pa omo nto aba ne kina na omo fa Bawumia nya flag bearer. I have been looking for that time. Say Bawumia be say flag bearer bi. Enu kwa dey ahwan ko benya 22% enu obenya. Because kaneno na obia jinidi say owo esubi ne ban bi a enke betimi aboama otimi abeye omampani abedi akire. Obeye omampani abedi akire no obia hu say ontwa tawu. Ato Forson wonye vice president o. Oh baby odi dollar ne dru. Eye adwene any nyansa and a kwa kensi. And I didn't say nyansa say, now what trabia ne what's trabia any margin. It's me, Mama Shelter. I didn't know what I tell me, say, also tell me. And then Yansa catcher, I didn't say, baby, I'm a danko. And I'm soon me buying so uncle. Now, me soon me buying to me, me. It's a dinner and a day, Yansa. It's a dinner, obiat me now, didn't be done it. But say Yansa na, ye and nam. Ma obi ehun sa adwene a sabi ewo ho nyansa damu no eno na Ato Forson eye no what I say enti no enye se brabeto to bi mane keke o debi enye no ntina
ba me di ya say we no na eye proposal
oh say
na proposal
ade bi okra na yenka oh say tio say yeti hey o ka kire say ye be pon 12 tio nyina yesu nim say dwumadi ye pon be say nondu abroso an nondu na ka say ye be pon 12 a ebi ana me be me share obi say oh me share after 10
yeah
how do I reconcile that ebi ameti hey a me ka say me text ni pa say oh ye say ye be pon 10 eso so afi o me say ye be pon 12 me boa
yeah
now Edientina, all of a sudden, nipa bin my own margin say, Adia aye traditional obi anim say, ye di enfie mienu, aye da ye nim, and ye de say, ye di be flag bearer. Our constitution nim. Ye nkasa 3 years old. Ye say enfie mienu. Yanka 3 years. Sa no mu sisi afoko ne Kwabena Agyapong nom ne Sammy crab no mu a party constitution da ho na afi ye say a council of elders say na council of elders no mu nim nyansa che constitution na like how your constitution here dey what you say a party a boni na ewo mu no Akufo Addo na ahye sa boni ni nyina and waja Agyarko Bawumia de bi boni nko a and ono so to aso executive say omo wo we so omo pe party ni here wo so omo pam omo nyina total overhaul omo yi omo nyina adi anya democracy ni ewom na ehun hia say wo say amayoko bi esa ba enka amayoko MPP na wo say nkom gunu ba democracy nti e wo say ka bi ma men ka bi anya say NDC fo so umtrim be omo de anya say wo say ka MPP no kom gunu because say me kan na criminal institution say na bio so mo pe party ni animonyam ni nkan kwa e wo se Bawumia obi bia wo ba begina na wo wa banda da anim bia na wo so mo pam ni free mu including obia na wo wa banda da anim bia e wo so mo yi ni free because omo nyina mo ne animonyam obi bia ni wono ma na wo wa banda da anim a obetimi aba be justify ade papa ana ade boni ade abanda da ne yeye
sir
yes obia ni wo
you say Brian declare educhum so enra or declare or show interest
enkwan joa na no sin enya bisa no don enye enkwan na adwoa na nka kane party ya say ya nyansafo ne ndifo party hwani pa omu yi omu ti wo de wa hwe wo de in estimation
and no more problem
enye problem no there be why na wonim de why na wo nyansa kire me uyi Bawumia free wa Kennedy Agyapong so person o ye mampani Kennedy Agyapong enkwan etimi adwo na we di adwo ma asa ya block
festival
da bi o ene ye se bread champion say onu so person o ye mampani obi a onu timi suma nkwala asem ko bobo atuo wa ya waso weso ogon otimi tu ne hine ne wasi hine wei enkwan ne nyoya edutum so person o ye mampani
yeah abona baso
hey MPP mum dia atete apansam
Farouk say
Bawumia so na me kwanti wunim meti wodi na me say no kura nyame anim ni okoye krom Asante memu a say enam bia friend totobi no say wele a ye dia kodwa so ayanto na maami bi oye na adwen say odibekofie na odi akɔhyɛ fam na wayɛ ne te sɛ mɔmɔne na odi akye ne nkwan mu ahwɛ sɛ be hwama wɔyɛ ne fae ku sɛ totobi ne boarding ɛkyɛ wele is the marketing skill of the Ashanti and the totobi boy den kyɛ wele I see wele apro ne boarding kyɛ wele ɛtɛ people di agora on betumi aton totobi ama na kanya sɛ pa Ghana ha yɛti Bawumia sɛ obetumi ayɛ mampani wɔ Ghana ha Vice President Kekekre de ma said the Vice President who say ya ma kwan na when na be mampani obema kwan wɔ Ghana ha okay who cry now the back didn't stop with you no who say ya ma kwan na afei back ni be stop with you and na when na Ghana ni be na be ma wo kwan Akufo Addo ye ma ne kwan ya ma ne kwan anyway you know you can see from afar say party no atete apansam and na say nipa benya ahobrasie ne ensi yomu nukredie mu agye atum say ya party dia atete apansam enti efi na kremu mi ensesa ya kwan na yenko se se akwadwofo a omo ko ntate anten na yeko sua na kwan ne yehunu nyansa ne dia boye bra no omo ntena se nyɛ saa o saa ne oma a omo ye a ma party na nim gu ase no e say wa beto atum 31st January obeye election party ko grassroots ne gotie obi anim say by force we person de Bawumia ba okay me no enya me ya mani beje papa omo fa Bawumia mra obese de emia de tosu mienu ba ko no tasentase na ye no we de mesi na ni so be biri no ma obetwa ahwe se konfo
listen wa me na wase
de tosu bie
wa me na wase
ma no sie no omampani Jomahama enel asema me de betu dwa no mesre no se onkum oma sebi na ni nkɔ ho na nkɔfo ewie sika ekɔ omu abotom okay at the expense of the state yes ka the bumai yes ka the ayoma ye
me dey say
MPP track record back no state capture no omo capture everything enterprise of Ghana so omo mani NLNS
yo it for we ni ensemo abeto yepno so ka say so when subscribe to channel dia bomodi say over subscribe and say had the latest hot enko era me de bravo na fe wa like video don't give us a thumbs up afi share ma wo foforo so na wonye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo Ghana me mo ano ozo bitimi a che wadwen afaye ensem we nyira ho ewo comment box ni mu obeti minka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.